Hey guys, you know who it is. It's the California Kid. What's going on? Hope you're doing well. Most importantly, I hope you're feeling good. But we all know when we feel good, we flat out do good. Guys, I'm in the car here. I'm hoping that this is being shared with there we go. There we go. I'm in the car here heading on my way to Dubai. That's right, on my way to Dubai. As promised, I told you I'd come on here and make sure I gave you critical building tips that are going to really help you build something extremely large. So guys, if you don't know, we are currently in the midst of a pre-launch. We will officially be launching in January. So we are currently pre-launching right now, one of the biggest projects that I've ever had a chance to be a part of. Obviously really excited about it. Going to help a whole lot of people. Going to solve some major problems, and I can't wait to unveil this to everyone. But I also promised that I would come on here every single day and just kind of really share some building tips on how to really build something big. How to build something big. A lot of people talk about building something big, and very few people ever do it. And so I wanted to come on here and give you guys some love, give you guys some tips real quickly, and let you know exactly what it takes. So if you're just tuning in today is day 7. I want to encourage you to go back and watch day 1 through 6. All of these tips that I'm giving you are critical, and they are in numerical order. They're in numerical order. I'm giving you exactly what it takes to build something really large, okay? If you want to know what it is that we're doing and you want to hear more about it, you can simply click the link above. There's a 7-minute video. Obviously, you can see the 20-minute video, and then, of course, you can get yourself pre-registered, okay? But listen, I'm on my way to Dubai right now. I'll be gone for about the next week in Dubai. Big things are happening in Dubai. Big things. Did I say big? Big things are happening in Dubai. That's for sure. I'm on my way there now, and so I can't wait to get there. And listen, guys, we're not playing. This is the biggest thing I've ever in 11 years had a chance to be a part of. It's big in the sense that it's global. It's big in the sense that it's simple, it's fun, and it's big in the sense that people can make some ridiculous amounts of money. And for those of you that are afraid of money, I want you to listen to me clearly. Money is the answer to all things. Money is the answer to all things. Money solves problems, period. Money is the answer to all. Don't be mad at me. It says it right there in the good book. It says it right there in the book. So we all need money to be able to fulfill our purpose, to make a difference, to help make the world a better place. And I can tell you, I'm super excited to be launching something gigantic here in January. So let me go ahead, guys, and I want to get into today's topic. Today is day 7. Day 7, today's topic, guys, is going the extra mile. Going the extra mile. I want to tell you a story really quickly, but also I want you to write this down for those of you that are taking some notes. Anytime you communicate, never tell a story without making a point, and never make a point without telling a story. One more time. Never tell a story without making a point, and never make a point without telling a story. Again, today's topic is going the extra mile. I want to tell you a quick story. You know, I launched my last opportunity December the 1st of 2016. I'll never forget it. As you guys all know, back in November 2016, I was broke. Made some horrible decisions with money. I was broke. And but if something is broke, you should fix it. And I was determined to go and fix that broke situation, and I did it. December 1st, I launched. I was by myself. I did not bring a team of people with me. December 1st of 2016, I'll never forget it. I had a game plan. My upline gave me the exact instructions of what it was going to take to get to the top of that company inside of 30 days, and I did it. But a part of me doing it, when we talk about going the extra mile, I'll never forget it. My very first month, December of 2016, when I was launching that company, and I was so determined to get to the top of the company. My goal was to get to the very top in 30 days. 30 days. Never forget it. I remember, guys, I live in California. I flew to Thailand. I flew to Canada 3 times in 1 month, my very first month. I flew to Thailand and I flew to Canada 3 times. And I'm talking not Western Canada where I live. I'm talking Eastern Canada, Toronto. I flew out there 3 times. So for those of you that don't know, I live in California. That's on the West Coast. Going to Toronto, Canada, that's way on the East Coast, okay? And so I flew 3 times. Now, mind you, listen to me. In November of 2016, I was broke. In December, I was launching my business. I was launching. And when we talk about going the extra mile, not only was I doing at least 15 conference calls and webinars per day, but I also was on airplanes. That's right. I flew to Thailand. I flew to Toronto, Canada 3 times, going the extra mile to accomplish my dreams. So this message today is going to be rather short, but it's going to be powerful. If you want to build something very, very big, okay, that's what I'm on here teaching you. I'm here teaching you how to build it big, not small, but to build it big. You've got to go the extra mile. I know some of you are wondering, why does he keep going back to Dubai? I was in Dubai 2 weeks ago. Now I'm back again. The next time I'll be coming back to Dubai, it will be January the 14th through the 17th, and I will be flying 50 different leaders from all around the world that have qualified for the free Dubai trip. If you don't know about it, you better ask somebody about it. That's right. You have until January 1st to qualify. We are flying 50 different people. No matter where you are in the world, paying for your flight, we're paying for your hotel, and we're going to fly you to Dubai January the 14th through the 17th. We're going to treat you like a king and a queen. Oh, you're going to love it. You're going to get a chance to meet the owners, see all the good stuff, see exactly what it is that we're unveiling. I promise you, you will be blown away. All you got to do is have 200 people pre-registered on your team, and you have just won a trip to Dubai, again, paying for the flight and the hotel, and we are going to have so much fun with you in Dubai. I'm telling you. So, anyway, going the extra mile. Are you going the extra mile, or are you doing the same old, same old? Let me talk about going the extra mile really quickly. If you're involved in network marketing, just because you do a presentation, or just because you prospect somebody, so what? That's what you're supposed to do. That's what you get paid to do. Just because you prospect someone or you do a presentation, in my opinion, that's not going the extra mile. Let me say it again. Just because you prospect somebody or you do a presentation, that is not going the extra mile. That's not going the extra mile. Okay? I'm talking about going the extra mile for your dreams. So for example, why don't you do something you've never done before if you're expecting something you've never had before? Let me say that again. Why don't you do something you've never done before if you're expecting something that you've never gotten before? Okay? Okay, so when we talk about going the extra mile, guys, when we talk about going the extra mile, we're talking about doing things totally different. We're talking about disrupting the way that you do things, doing it totally different. Remember, if you ever want to be massively successful, observe what the masses of people are doing and simply do the opposite. If you ever want to be massively successful, observe what the masses of people are doing and simply do the opposite, okay? Again, you don't see the masses of people flying to Dubai. You know, I've been, I think, 3 times in the last 45, 50 days. There's a reason why I'm doing it, okay? What I'm telling you, when we talk about going the extra mile, my question to you, Are you truly going the extra mile in your business? Are you? Just because you do a presentation, do a training, that's not the extra mile. I'm talking about you have to give more. You have to give more. Somebody type in the word give more. You got to give more and more and more and more. You got to give more. That's what you got to do, baby. You've got to give more. More and more and more and more and more and more. Service is the rent that you pay for the space that you occupy on earth. We all have to serve somebody. So I want to encourage you guys today to go the extra mile. Go the extra mile. Go the extra mile. Go the extra mile. Go the extra mile for your dreams. You got to give more. You got to give more and more and more and more and more. And then when you just think you ain't got no more to give, you got to give a little bit more. You get it? So ladies and gentlemen, I'm the California Kid. Today is day 7 of our pre-launch. I'm on here giving you some building tips on how to build something big. My hope for you is that you will take the time to go back and watch all of these sessions, day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I promise you, I'm giving you not stuff I read in a book. I'm giving you stuff that I know that works. I know it. I'm giving you exactly what I do, not what I've heard, but what I do. So listen, guys, I love you all. I want you to have a wonderful day, have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you guys from Dubai tomorrow on day 8. Much love to everybody. Bye-bye, guys.